Tired of going through the constant hassle of finding a suitable buyer for an item you have that you don't use anymore and are planning to sell? Or searching shop after shop for an item you want but can't afford to buy or isn't available for purchase? No worries. Where there's a will, there's a way. And that way is Fliptango, your premier lifestyle assistant, where we put an end to your trading problems, anywhere, anytime. If you want to sell something you don't use anymore, all you have to do is post a photograph of your item along with the necessary details on our website or app. If you want to buy something, then Fliptango is your gateway to non-stop online shopping experience. For we help narrow your search for an item. Just tell us what you want, and we will let you know when it will be processed, collected, and delivered at your doorstep. If you're not happy with what you purchased, no problem. We provide an easy refund option, whereby you can return the item purchased, and hey presto, money back guaranteed. So the next time you want to buy or sell an item, remember Fliptango, for our motto is trade everything easy.